Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to recover permanently deleted files or folders on your Windows PC using the official Windows File Recovery tool. First, quickly check your recycle bin, because sometimes deleted files are still there. Just open the Start menu, search for Recycle Bin, and restore the file if you find it. If it's not there, search for Control Panel, open File History, and check whether backups were enabled. If file history was turned off, don't worry, we can still recover the files. Now open the Microsoft Store and search for Windows File Recovery. Install the app with the blue icon, then launch it as administrator. Inside the tool, there are two recovery modes, regular and extensive. Regular mode is best for recently deleted files, while extensive mode works better for older deleted files. To start a recovery scan, type this command: WinFR CD regular. This scans the C drive and restores recoverable files to the D drive. Make sure the recovery location is a different drive or USB storage. If you want to narrow the search, you can filter by folder or file type. For example, to recover PNG photos, use WinFR CD regular/n star.png. You can also replace PNG with JPG, PDF, DocX, or other file formats. Press Enter, type Y to continue, and wait for the scan to finish. Once completed, open the recovery folder on your destination drive to access the restored files. And that's how to recover permanently deleted files on Windows 11 easily. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Windows tutorials and PC tips.